Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Persia in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 3008 SUV in the GT line specification. So this car comes with full LED headlights, there's 18-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows and the black roof. You also get front and rear parking sensor with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car there's half leather interior. The touchscreen features 3D navigation as well as DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. You get some nice safety features with this car, including lane keeping assistance, blind spot detection and speed limit recognition. There's also dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights, wipers, cruise control and a smartphone charging plate. Let's have a look around. This car has the 2-litre Blue HDI engine and gives you 150 horsepower and a 6-speed manual gearbox. It's done under 17,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Persia in Taunton. Thank you.